In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to create a subtle floating camera motion effect. This effect is useful when your footage looks too static and you want to add a gentle natural camera movement. Let's get started. First, select your clip on the timeline. Now go to the effects panel and search for wiggle. Drag and drop the wiggle effect onto your clip. Next, open the effect controls panel. Inside the controls section, you'll see a few settings that control the motion. We'll start with horizontal range. This controls how much the clip moves left and right. Increase this value slightly to add subtle horizontal movement. Next, adjust vertical range. This controls the up and down motion of the clip. Keep this value small if you want the movement to feel natural and smooth. Now, adjust the wiggle speed. This controls how fast the floating motion happens. Lower speeds create slow drifting motion, while higher values create faster movement. Play the clip and tweak these values until the motion feels subtle and cinematic. This effect works great for interviews, cinematic shots, still images, and storytelling videos where you want a small amount of camera movement. And that's it. You've successfully created a subtle floating camera motion effect using the wiggle effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.